welcome to Tarot Tutorials. Today's lecture we are going to deal with Temperance card, 14th number card of the Major Arcana, which shows balance, patience and faith majorly. This card, when you look at the card, it seems to be very calming and very serene card of the deck, I would say. It shows balance. How balance? Even with the name also it is clear it is talking about balance, but here you'll see the person, or here in the picture it looks like an angel. Here the angel is standing on an uneven place. One foot is in the water body is there, and another one on the rock. So having the balance, it could be difficult, but this person is managing that. In this hard situation also the person is managing, and how nicely she is pouring the water from one cup to another cup. Why this Temperance card is related to emotions more? We know that the controlling of emotion, it seems to be difficult because lot of waves, it will come ups and downs, and very easily it will get affected. So this is what this Temperance, what it shows: control on your emotions, control on your situation. Whatever excess you are having, pour in the another cup, pour in the other area of your life. Try to divert your attention. So whenever this card comes in a reading, it shows state your requirement or situation softly rather than shouting. See, this card is very serene and very calm. You do not need to scream and tell everyone how pathetic your situation is. This card shows this is a time to treat your situation softly rather than harshly, and shouting is not at all required at this point of time. We can just take this as an example. There is possibility you are shouting on some person, and the person probably not knowing your language or unable to understand why, for what reason you are shouting at him. So it will become a joke for you. That person is not going to understand, and you are simply shouting and wasting your energy. So it shows be calm, patient and softly handle your situation rather than showing off a lot, rather than shouting, screaming and all that. In career reading or relationship, it shows balanced teamwork. Why balanced teamwork is required? See, we have to blend everyone's energy well to get a good result. Then only we are going to get a good result and solid result in our life. So in a relationship, if this card comes, it shows about the balance, patience. There is possibility one person is giving more and another is not at all giving, another is not at all paying attention, not at all working adequately for towards the relationship. So it is talking about give and take should be equal. Here you see the give and take should be equal. The card is very positive. Angel is there, the wisdom is there, greenery is there, fertility is there. Emotions, water represents here emotion. Cups are also representing the emotion. Sometimes Temperance, it shows about alcoholic nature also. So it shows you have to get rid of this alcoholic attitude. This habit has to be removed from your life. Then only your life is going to be balanced. Shiny bright sun is there. Again, we know mountains are there, which shows the hurdles, obstacles, and just look at the way, the narrow way it is going. This doesn't seems to be very easy. So your way is going to be difficult. It means the balance, the thing which is advised to you, or the universe is telling you balance your things. Whatever extra you are having, start giving. That you may feel at times it is difficult for you, but you have to let go of the attachment and start pouring your excess stuff outside. Things which are not serving you, let go of that thing. Otherwise what will happen? You will be stuck in the situation. You won't be able to go out. So you have to make the plan, you have to go out and you have to reach towards your destination. So this is the temperances. Balance is very, very necessary. You need to be having control. Use your energy wisely. The teamwork is required. Always you need a support also. So there are various meaning the temperance is having. If this card comes in a yes no reading, how you are going to interpret, though the card seems to be talking about balance, but generally this card shows the no, because it shows the patience and hard work. So you can treat the answer as no. Still, if you are not satisfied, pull one more card and check the energy, what the energy this temperance is giving, and accordingly you can interpret yes no questions. In my experience, temperance always I found no, though the card is very positive, but it doesn't say yes, because your journey is going to be difficult and you have to come out from your comfort zone. So you have to be ready to listen no also at times. So this is only this meaning I'm discussing right now. You may get more meaning. Just explore with your card, play with your card, connect with your card. Try to connect with this angel and she is going to talk a lot. You are going to get a lot of meaning. I hope you would have liked the video. If like, please comment below, let me know. And all the very best. Thank you.